All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, and here she is. What a cute little baby girl.
This is the Cabbage Patch home. First thing we learned so far is this is not the same place where Kathy came as a kid because they moved. This is a new location. This is called Mother Cabbage, and this is where all the Cabbage Patch dolls come from.
1, 2, 3. And here he is. What a beautiful baby boy. Before I head over to the nursery to give him his first checkup, this baby boy needs a first and middle name. So does anybody have any ideas? Edward? All right. Anybody else?
There's a baby named Lucas that was born today. And we're here with Lucas.
Trina just adopted her Cabbage Patch doll. What'd you name it?
Charlotte.
Charlotte? How do you want to spell that?
Charlotte.
Cabbage Patch doll. What'd you name it?
Charlotte Catherine Guerra.
Show me the birth certificate.
So, before I head over to the nursery to give her her very first checkup, this baby's going to need a first and middle name. So does anybody have any ideas? Paz. Paz? Pretty. What about you? Julia. All right. I'm going to ask her what she thinks about all these awesome names real quick. What do you think about them? You want me to tell them that? All right. She said all of those are wonderful names, but she has decided to go with Lindsay Paz. And with a name like that, she's bound to be famous someday. Say cheese.
Let's go. There's a birth. Oh my God. Would you recommend this to other people to come visit?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's a lot of cute stuff. Grandma gave me money for this doll and I named her after my grandma.
Very cute. What are you going to name her?
Charlotte.
Charlotte. Charlotte Catherine.